Sorry guys, it was telling me I've reached my limits for how much music can be played on the live, and then it gives you the option to resume or finish, and I clicked finish by mistake, so that it ended the live. My fault. The people I have these plans with are not answering their fucking phones. I know one of them is within rounds. I know another one is at a house party, but it's like, pick up the fucking phone. Like, pick up the fucking phone. When to Rome, you made it home. Please pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Like, I understand you guys are busy. Like I said, one is at a bride. The other one, she literally told me, like, listen, I need to get rounds in. So, what is that, guys? We have plans. Can you pick up the fucking phone? Especially you, nigga. What do you think of really messing with Offset, then buying Cardi flowers? Diabolical shit. And you with the Beyonce of the group. Why the fuck are you messing with... Like, dude. So really, baby, you make it hard to defend you. Like, I fuck with you, but you make it hard to defend you. You know? So is it confirmed that she did that? Like... both of them are diabolical. To do that to your fucking boy, and also for her to do that to everybody, is insane. Like, it's nuts. I hate that I'm such a punctual person, because I honestly feel like none of these people are going to be on time. And then it's going to be hurry up and wait. But she's not denying it. I mean, guys, do you expect her to come out and be like, I never fucked that nigga? Yeah, let me connect to Wi-Fi. Come on. You say you the man, though. I need to drench myself in setting spray. But I do like how the blush look came out. It's going to trigger some people. I know. Can we talk about how debilitating having a crush is? It's the worst thing on earth. Having a crush is not fun. Stalking someone, feeling obsessed, trying to savor crumbs, you know what I mean? That like, oh, we spoke yesterday, but now I don't want to message them because I don't want them to think, I'm too much. And then you're just waiting, and then you're also posting things that you feel like that you could bait them into commenting on. I hate it. Cardi said it was a rap girl, and then she even scrapped the song they had. Then there was a tweet from 2021 about how she wants a song to really, and it never happened. Oh damn. That actually gives me anxiety. I hate being late, but I'm like, actually, I should have been late. I'm literally in hell. Crushing is not the one, guys. Crushing is not the one. And the thing is, me, I have to achieve my crushes. You know what I mean? I'm all bad. This chick was vibing with me, and I didn't even ask her name. I just left. Now I'm at home angry at myself. Why would you not ask her name and exchange numbers? Okay, I'm gonna do lashes after I've sprayed, because fuck that. So I need to do my lip. Oh my god, where's my brown lip liner? No, I hate having a crush, but I have to achieve my crushes. Like, I mean, even the way that I know allegedly is from having a crush back in the day. Ugh. Crushes are such a bore. Where's the brown lip pencil? Please don't tell me I lost it. I'm gonna really crash out right now. I'm really gonna crash out. I really don't know. That's not a good enough answer, sir. Or ma'am. I don't know. Watching for my friends because I'm never had a crush. I just arrive in love. Helena. But you've never looked at someone and had desire for them but not known how to go about it. Or I must say, I love you too. Oh my niggas, they don't know who to pick. Bitches on some choosy shit. Said her ex nigga lame on some loser shit. Already know who I'm with. Nothing makes me want to like wipe my makeup off and go to bed like the people I have plans with not picking up the phone. Like, it just makes me feel so defeated. Like, I love to have like a conversation, you know what I mean? Like, okay, I'm just getting ready and then we're meeting guy, do you know what I mean? Okay, so we'll meet at this time. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like red lip. I do the same lip all the time. Nude. So it's like, answer the phone because like, me, I'll get undressed or unmakeuped. Then this blonde Shami coming out to play blonde wig suit you so much. Thank you so much. I just need to find a really, really, really good one. I need to break the bank, you know, like, and get an amazing blonde wig. But the thing is about blonde, like, I only want to do it for an occasion because I don't like blonde hair when you don't have makeup. You know what I mean? Like, that's the only problem. When else did I hear the song? Yeah, you know what I mean? So, I almost forgot about nose highlights. Please highlight. Come here, make a give. Make her be your motivation. Make you be my muse. My muse. Make her break rules, girl. Nobody gonna know. Oh my God. I just want to make you wind down slow. Watching from the sort of... Can I move in with you? Like, sometimes I just be wanting to move to, like, a small place. Quiet place. You know what I mean? Spend every weekend at Cubana. Like, you know what I mean? Some shit like that. Because, you know, everywhere's got a Cubana. And just, like... I don't know what I'd do for a living, though. That's the only problem. Can someone sponsor my move to a small town and also pay me a salary for a year? Just so I can live life and then I'll come back. You know what I mean? Or what? A place that I would actually love to live in if it made sense is Menlyn. I love Menlyn, but specifically that part by the capital and Tasha's, you know, that block there by Menlyn. I would love to live there. Can you sit down and actually say you understand why some girlies hate on you? That face eats. I'm dead. Thank you. They must keep hating. I'm trying to think, have I actually ever done anything to make bitches hate me? No. I got these bitches mad again. Never about no money, but it's always about these men. She furious. Now she wanna throw them hands. She talking shit. I make him eat me through the pants. Okay, that was the loss of the setting spray. So need to get more because I'm doing my makeup on Sunday. Now I'm going to a rock concert. They don't know me. Yeah. All you do is look pretty at work. That's true. That I won't deny. Thank you. And that's really all I'd be doing. That pink under eye turned so pretty. Thank you. I'm so happy with it. Lashes. The bane of my goddamn existence. Like, literally. Like, the bane of my existence is having to glue lashes on. That's why I love having individuals. I would have been done with my makeup now. You know? Guys, I'm really concerned about these people not answering the phone. Not concerned, like... Please pick up the phone, pick up the phone. You had a lash extension area. What happened? I'm still in it. I just don't have my lashes on right now. Just rising that question. What question? I didn't see the question. But since you're laughing that I'm mising it, I'm going to block you just because I feel like you're weird. Oh, why does this... I need my Kiss lash glue, but this smudge one isn't bad, I won't lie. It's been holding me down. I'm Superman and you Lois Lane. Tell me if you feel the same. Take away all my pain. Thank you. Sometimes I'm in the mood just to block people for no reason. I love it. I love it. Like, it gives me so much joy. I could block all of you, actually. I think I want to make my winged liner a bit thicker because there's a dad really thick winged liner. And I was like, this is a bit of a look. I blocked them because I don't know what question I apparently mised. But the fact that this person is noticing it and putting a crying face like I'm ducking something, I'm going to block you. Well, I did block them. At some point, did my back to back and I have 3 real ones left. Yeah, I don't have lashes anymore because I ripped my lashes out, as you guys have seen. I don't go and take them off. Like, if I'm not going for a refill and they look janky, I rip them off. In your mind... You know me, because I got fame. And all you do is drag my name. Take away all my pain. Where is... Are you going to work? No. What? Work? Oh, I just threw this wipe on the lash. Now I have to reapply the goddamn fucking glue. You guys have never seen me crash out more than when I'm doing my makeup. Because I literally hate the process so much. Like, I hate it. I honestly thought, I'm going to do my makeup and have fun with it. No. No, I'm not having fun at all. Like, I'm not having a good time. In case you were wondering, I'm not having a good time. And this hangover is rocking me. Like, it's back. After I got out the shower, I felt fresh. You're always crashing out. Yeah, I definitely am. I definitely am. Just a bit thicker. Oh shit, no, I fucked up. Now I have to go, oh my god. Okay. I fucked up. Let's not talk about it. Please don't talk about it. What age did you learn to do your own makeup? I did my own makeup really nicely in high school, like at that level. And yeah, I used to do my makeup for Civi's Day and stuff. You might have to fix that. I will. I just need to see what the other eye does. On Civi's Day, everyone would compliment my makeup. Guys, I cooked it. And I can't go to the front like this. I can't have it all the way thick like that. I'm cooked. Yeah, the lashes are going to cover it, okay? But I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. But yeah, everyone used to compliment my makeup in high school. And then when I was 19 and I was working at Shesha, thank you, Shaza. And I was working at Shesha, that's when I first bought concealer and contour and stuff, and then I did my makeup every day for Spun. Sharon, text me. Make me so anxious now that it's fucked up. But if I go the whole way with that thickness, I'd have to do it here. Now the lash is gonna cover it, okay? Just leave me alone, guys, please. I'm hanging. Like... Okay. Thank you. Okay, I hate that I don't really know the time with the smudge rash glue. Can I have your tens? 079. Are you writing it down? 079. I actually need to change my phone number. Seems like you had a friend to crush on her before. Lol. Favela's Rescue, yeah, it gives you like a little boost of energy. I actually need to have more. Can I please take you out on a date? For sure. For sure, Shaza. I hope that this is... Oh my god. Why does it have like a string, like spider, like... I hate this. Oh, mascara, damn. It's about your favorite item most of the time. Yeah. No, actually, Smirnoff Spin is my number one. Okay. The few lashes I have left are long as fuck. But they're just so tangled that you can't see that I have long ass lashes. Like... Oh my god. Behind the scenes, running down your knees. Okay. Please be ready to stick. I literally can't afford one more crash out. Like... Don't stop loving, got enough supply. Sleep, wake up, and repeat. Do you do your makeup before or after getting dressed? Okay. This one is definitely ready. If the other one was ready, great. Shout out, Smudge. Your lash glue is really not bad. Besides the weird strings, or like whatever that is, it sticks really well. And I struggle to put them on. I don't have any tips, like generally. I used to struggle as well, and then I just had to learn. I used to have a friend do it, and then she was just like, I'm sick of you. Learn how to put your lashes on. And then I did. Energy. Percocet, never. On top of your natural lash, I sometimes see people put them underneath. I don't do that. Let me see. Where's my eyeliner? Please don't tell me that my eyeliner's lost. Really? Oh my god. I'm going to have to look in my mother's makeup bag and hope that she has... Ooh. Not bad, my friend. Not bad at all. Yo, Azania. Oh, here it is. Is it? What color is this? Why does it look purple? It is purple. Why does she have purple liner? Like... what's going on with the fucking Wi-Fi, because it shouldn't be doing that in my bathroom. Like, oh my god. My god. I prefer individuals, and I'm so over talking about lashes right now. It's fucking 7, and I only need to be there at 8:30. Like, I'm actually so annoyed. Like, I knew I was getting ready too early, but I also didn't know what else to do. Where are you going? I'm going to a friend's gig. You're hype. I've been on the road too much. Very early when I'm a bit behind, I leave my room looking a mess. No, my problem is that I'm very good at being on time, but then when I'm too early, I start faffing and doing unnecessary things that actually make me end up being late. Curl on the left seems to be coming off. Curl? You're talking about my hair. Forget about my hair, dude. It's a mess. I've been on the road too much. Oh my god, this liner is so skinny. It looks thick on the live. Because when it's skinny, then that's when it starts fucking fading. Like, I hate how early I am. Whew. I'm going to a friend's gig. Some event I've never been to. It's an R&B event, which is great. Mascara. Yo, my god. Blood, sweat, and tears, really and truly. Like, I've taken a nap until it's time to go. I thought about napping, but I knew I wasn't going to be able to. Right there, right there. Your tattoo is really a good one. Thank you. Did I actually uncover that? I did. Okay. Now I can put the stuff back. This distance as a nickname was so funny. This distance. Literally, it was a distance. Like, you know, your head is like under someone's nipple. Yeah. Even though you know. Thank you. And products aren't even expensive. I need to start investing in like designer makeup. Like when you had your clothes off. It's not fair. How you just gonna take off your clothes and use to wipe your makeup off your face? That's makeup wipe. Do you get gold jewelry? And the outfit allows, but I mostly wear silver. I just miss a get ready with me. Trust me, it was nothing to write home about. Like, it was just fucking crash outs on top of crash outs. Yeah. Now to get the fucking curling iron, like, ugh. To me. And be alone. Lol. Backseat, backseat. There, right there. I look like a Bratz doll. Thank you. You know that's the best compliment because I love looking like a Bratz doll. You know. Now I'm debating on whether I should just straighten this hair once and for all. But I really like the curled look. But it's like I just know that... You know when someone gets so happy when they're around their family and they just sound happy and that makes you happy. Anyway, no, because I was like, dude, why is no one picking up my calls? You know. But anyway, I don't know if I should just straighten it or if I should just take out the curling rod. But this hair is long. Like, the heatless curls have been what's keeping it together. And you know what my problem is? When I use the heatless curl thing, if I just don't sleep with it for one night, like last night I didn't sleep with it, the hair, it'll never be curly again, or the way. So take out the curling rod if you have time. I do have time. Don't curl it, it looks wavy. I don't want it to look wavy, I want it to be curled. It's because, like I said, I didn't sleep at home last night, so I didn't get to sleep with the heatless curl thing. Half up, half down. No, I don't do styles like that. Why do you drink Babala's Rescue before? I'm drinking it for yesterday. Okay, let me get the curling iron. Get whatever I want like a genie. Straighten it. Straightening it would be easier, but the curled look just looks so lavish. Hold on. It just looks so lavish. I don't do styles like that. Why? No, not that I don't do them, but I'm saying I can't do it myself. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sacrifice my phone charging. Oh my god. Thanks for the Brat Doll comments. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to listen to you guys, but I'm curling it haphazardly. Please don't think I'm going to be going section by section. This hair is 4 bundles and 30 inches, okay? Like, I'm just doing the parts that really show and the parts that really need it. Do you understand? Like, that is it. That is all. Why would I lie to the girl? She loved me enough, she gonna lie to herself. Tell you the truth, I think she's fucking someone else. She might as well. Like, what the fuck? The same curling iron when I find it so useless. No, it actually is useless. I'm gonna have to use my spirally one. You're right. I'm gonna waste my time with this thing. Every time I've used it, it's fucking disappointed me. I'm gonna have to use the one that goes like this because at the end of the day, I just want the hair to be big and curled. You know what I mean? So, hold on. Get whatever I want like a genie. Okay. Don't know why the music stopped. I thought I was the only one. Dude, it's fucking useless. And I was so excited to get it because when I go to the salon, they use a curling wand with that type of rod. You know what I mean? So I'm like, great. Now I'll be able to do the salon curls. That curling iron, I don't know what it is, but it's cooked. But come quick. Don't doubt me. I'm in class, but fuck it, I just leave. Fuck high school, I'm off to the big league. Monday, Friday, I'm in the stupid Friday. We rocking together, girl, what it do? You look so hot. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I spent my whole life trying to find you. So I'm gonna have to use this one. But at least these curls last, even though they're not the curls I want. But either way, when I brush it out, it's gonna be fine, and that's the point. I don't know how long this is gonna take though. Also, guys, I'm expecting a call back, okay? So if the live gets interrupted, I will come back around 3. Guys, are you gonna ask me where I'm going a million times? Aye, man. Fuck high school, I'm off to the big league. Yeah, I'm in the stupid Friday. We rocking together, girl, what it do? I mean, what would I be doing if I wasn't getting ready with you guys? Okay, now I'd be watching Superstore on my phone, I won't lie. Maybe I should do that. Langbora, honestly. And the cider is not finishing. Like, by now, if I was feeling grand, I would have been on my 3rd one. And I think you guys are boring me because I feel like there's a lot of men here. And that's, I can feel when my lives have men and I hate it. Leave! Like, honestly, if my own dude isn't on my lives, why the fuck are you guys here? But come quick. Don't doubt me. Are you going to the rock concert? No, that's on Sunday. Did you just call me boring? Yes, all of you. What the hell? Hey, hey! Yeah. I'm getting this straight now. Oh, it's here. Great. Heatless curls. Like I said, guys, heatless curls. Amazing. Every day my hair's been bouncy and wavy. One night you don't sleep with them, you'll never get them back. I've had this curl thing in for not most of the day, I'm lying. But I'm trying to think if I did it everywhere and then I just... Because the thing is, I could continue and then sleep with the heatless curls in today, and then tomorrow they'll be back, but they'll never be back the way. I'm just going to straighten my hair. It's enough. No, but it's also like these curls aren't worth it. Do you know what I mean? Curling my whole head is going to take forever because this curler is small. So I'm going to have to be curling it in the smallest of portions. And yes, I have the time, but I don't have the patience. You understand? So I'm just going to have to hope it straightens nicely because now it's got a ton of product in it and it's just not going to look great. I might have to wear a band and it'll work with like my dress and stuff. I might wear a headband and just have my hair back. You know what I mean? Not a headband, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, a headband, like this type of look. Because I'm wearing a short dress, I might look a bit preppy almost. Do you know what I mean? Amazing and extra particular. Yeah, I'm going to have to straighten it. And then put a shitload of silicone. And then I'm going to wear a black band. And I'll take you by the hand when you're alone. It was so nice, big. Wait, if I curl this front strand, can I get away with it? Can I get away with just curling like maybe 2 front sections? Guys, help me. Executive decisions need to be made. Because at least the bottoms are still wavy. Okay, I'm going back to the curling iron. Ish. I hate getting ready. I'm so indecisive. You guys make me even more confused. Okay. Come, curling one. Don't disappoint me, baby. Guys, I just want to fuck you till you. I need you to hold it while you can. Okay, I'm going to curl it. I'm going to curl the front, okay? Leave it like this. Excuse me? Can you see what's happening here? Anyway, guys, cross fingers. Okay, so what's happening is obviously going to a friend's gig, right? But before the friend's gig, I think allegedly he's going to a bride. Yeah, he is. But it's like, invite me to the bride so I don't have to be. I don't want to arrive like separately, even though I'll be fine. It's like, because if I go on time, I'm feeling like you're not going to be there the time we should be there if you're only heading to the bride now. So just invite me to the bride and then we'll shift to the event together. Do you understand? So, fingers crossed. Should do a poll. Aye, man. Mousse thin curl. Okay. What is this? Maximum volume styling mousse. I left them and I came back to the... Yeah, I understand. Yeah, now I can't go straight if I'm putting all this product, because straight hair with a lot of product looks like shit. Us to come with ish. Guys, I like to be invited, okay? I don't like to ask, you know? But maybe I should. I'm just like, well, I'm almost done getting ready, so should I meet you there? But also, I think between you and I don't like the person whose bride is. So I know it's going to be a thing of, oh, I just thought, you wouldn't want to because you don't fuck with this person. I'm like, I don't care. I can pretend. Just let me come with so we can shift as a unit. Definitely doesn't think I want to come because, like I said, I don't like the person whose thing it is. At all. Thank you for introducing us to Miss Fanta. We love you very much. You're beautiful, smart, and exactly what... Oh, wow. I don't even know Shine's here. Allegedly must initiate. Exactly. And you know... Yeah. Girl, you look so hard. Once I've got the outfit on, I'll see. I'll hint at it, gang. you not liking the person in charge of the meat. I genuinely don't like him. None of the wags do. So I'm like, so clearly you are the problem. So, I know we're not actually wags. That's what we just are called that by the boys. Drop hints. I'm just gonna say, yeah, but I want us to get there together. And he's like, okay, so do you want to meet me at the bar? Yeah, I'm fine with that. And then inside I'm gonna be geeking. Okay. I'm just going to do it until I get bored of doing it. You know what I mean? Okay, that one is actually better. I'm just going to keep curling until I feel like I can't curl anymore. Drop hints, drop... Oh, as in, I'm like, you want me to drop hints at who I don't like? No. Okay. I'm glad we decided on the curling, but the scam curling, not the proper curling. What time are you leaving? My problem is I'm supposed to be where I'm supposed to be at 8:30. And it's like, if you're only going to a bride now, you're definitely not going to make 8:30. Then I'm going to be there without you, know. Because means you really do be speaking with that tone with allegedly. She has a different voice, guys. Really? Really? Hey, I'm trying. Men will be the death of us. They really will. Like, I hate niggas so bad. I don't change my tone. I'm just calmer. Like, but only because he's so hyperactive. Like, I actually seem calm. So happy for everyone who always answered to speak for Nike. You heard us sing this song, right? I'm dead. Did I put enough music? Did I put it everywhere? Or just in the front? Okay, yo. Shamiso, you can do this, baby girl. You can do this. Commit. Tonight you sleep with the... Listen, tonight I'm not sleeping unless I have my heatless curls in. I can't go through this madness again. Like, what's the point of the heatless curls if you have to still then curl your hair? You know what I mean? So tonight, I'm not sleeping until elevating every second. Thank you, and that is true. I literally look better every day. I got that Benjamin Button. I was told to leave the restaurant, booked somewhere. What? Hey, but by who? Oh my God. By who? What a dream, darling. Yeah. What a dream. I just need to get out of town, guys. Like I said, that's my biggest thing right now. I'm trying to find a gap to get out of town. At the end of the month, I'm going to Sun City, but like that's festive stuff. I'm not going to be resting, you know what I mean? I'm going to Sun City with Hey Shawty. We're going to look so hot. Have you, like, seen the way, like, looks come together? Because we were like, we actually want to be in sync on that trip. My dream date, honestly. Fabian. Oh, maybe too. You need a bush getaway. I do, guys. You lost it about I'm back together with someone I had a crush on. Jesus Christ, Sandy. I can't keep up with your love life, hey. But it's fine. Will you be taking the heatless curls with you as a legend? Will I be taking the heatless curls with me? Should I pack them in my handbag, hey? Nah, but the outfit I'm wearing tonight, in the morning, I'm gonna look like a skank. Maybe I must take a big handbag and just shove them in there. Like, I remember one time when I was still dealing with these distance. I was like launched at like 1 a.m. Like, come to Saint. I said, yo, okay. But I was told, you're just coming to scoop me and then, shift. I said, okay. So I just went in like my sweats because I'm like, I'm just going to be sleeping and then fucking off in the morning. So I was like, okay. I go in my sweats. I pack my bonnet and my curls, my heatless curls thing in my pocket. And then I get there and it's, come inside. I'm like, I'm in sweats. No one cares. Come inside. I go inside. Now I'm with the friends, the gang, group of friends. Does my bonnet not fall out of my pocket? One of my friends is like, hey, you're not sleeping at home. I'm like, shit. I leave for an hour and you're looking like a big Victoria's Secret model. Oh, wow. Thank you. I don't know what you're really looking for. Tell me if you need to. Not faithful like you. Your father must understand. Your father must understand. In your pocket, Shamiso. Because like I said, I was told... I was wearing a hoodie, so I had it in my front pockets. And I had my hands in my pockets. So when I took my hands out, the bonnet just came out. And I had it in my pockets because it was fucking 1 a.m. And I was literally like not even in the mood to... Did I even take a handbag? I did take a handbag, but not a big one. So it couldn't fit. So I just put it in my hoodie pockets. And like I said, I was just told, come to, and scoop me. And then we'll shift to mine. Like, so I'm thinking, I'm just going to bed. Come inside. Now I'm inside in sweats, no makeup, bonnet is coming out. Like I said, our friend was like, so where you sleeping? I'm like, That was the bonnet was asleep, said if I thought. Honestly, to come to me with the bullshit. Like, I was just like, like, I don't even remember what I said. Because I was like, I'm not even supposed to be inside right now. Like I got an Oculus. It's so hard to reach. Don't know what you... Now my lace is lifting. I can't believe how much shit I have to fucking do. Don't want to be a secret. Did you see it? I don't know. He was fucking drunk. The most drunk I've ever seen him. And that was like shocking. That's why I was like, come inside. I said, hey, are you sure? Because... yeah, that part I can't say, but I'd be so embarrassed. Like, I really was like, damn, red or black lingerie. I'm mad comfortable in black though, but apparently I eat up red. Sometimes you have to say red just to shock the system, you know what I mean? Because I also like black lingerie a lot, but red sometimes you have to do it just as like a va, you know what I mean? Like, I have this one red one I'm waiting to wear. It's got chains, gold chains on it, hanging from the coochie. And then there's a gap by the coochie. The coochie's out. And then it's got these gold chains everywhere. Yo. Yeah, sometimes you have to wear red. I even saw this beautiful... You know that shop I took you to, my lingerie plug shop? There's this beautiful lilac set. I'm like, this is so pretty. I actually need to try that. Like, pack it tonight. It's going to be taking up space in my handbag. But then when I don't have it, I'm going to be upset at myself. Not that I'm ready to wear. Huh? Shami's a little freak. I'm really not. Wait. Plagas, I told you guys. It's by the shopping center where the treat is in Randburg. Just put in the treats and then go upstairs. So the treat is on the lower level. Go to the upper level and then there's like a block. It's like by block B. There's a lingerie store. Cheapest lingerie you'll ever find and the most unique lingerie you'll ever find. Like Victoria's Secret doesn't know shit about that. I got the pants from Factory. I just did my makeup, love. Does your mom go into your life? Just a question. Sometimes. You said you're ready to wear that lingerie. Oh, I am ready to wear it, but we shall see when. Men don't deserve it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, keeping the lingerie. Y'all should be virgins. Why do you need lingerie? Sandy, please, nah. Like, please. Me, I don't gatekeep shit. I will share. The name of the store. I don't know the name of the store. It's just at China Mall. I don't even know if it has a name. It's the only lingerie shop there, so you should find it. Just kind of to be what you need. I'ma need a moment to breathe. I'm such a vibe. Wait, thank you. I be trying. Coochie plug. Oh my god. I need to go back and buy that thing that I wanted to buy, but before I buy it, I have to ask, like, yo, how would you feel about this? You know what I'm saying? What are you trying to get into right now? Sandy had such an amazing morning. I had a really amazing morning. It was just so great, you know? Oh my god. Thank you, and don't thank her. She's trolling you guys. That store doesn't have a name. It's just a China Mall in Randburg, guys. I've done the best I can with describing it to you. My one friend, this girl I used to be friends with years ago, like when I was, like 19, 20. She was a hoe, yo. But anyway, she introduced me to the store. Does he watch your lives? I mean, he's joined once and even commented it. I was like, hello. But in general, not really. You allegedly woke up nicely, Nashville. Yeah. I had a headache, and for that time, it was gone. Ah, that's nice. You're welcome. Would you be able to be with someone for the rest of your life who doesn't match your freak, yet still satisfies you? Yeah, I think so. For sure. Like... Sorry, she was a hoe. It just came out of my mouth. But she really was. She once fought with her ex-boyfriend, and then to spite him, on the way home, she slept with the Uber driver. When she told me that, I'm like, please don't share such things with me, like, again, because I definitely am judging you. I'm not supposed to be, but I am. Okay, let's see if I can get away with the scam. I just know I'm going to end up curling the whole thing. This looks like fucking ass! Spank one of you niggas for pillow talking like a bitch. With the Uber driver, yep. To spite him. And then even told him I fucked my Uber driver. I said, no. No. So get my pussy ate up. He with me laid up. I'm the type of bitch to stash the Glock. I'm telling you. I didn't even go to work. I woke up beautifully. See, so now. I had a good breakfast. Every time the spot get hot, I like niggas that take trips and get fast money. You say you love me, baby. Yeah, I know this pussy good. That's why you so attached. I'm saving Carla, but never knew how to use it. Thanks. It sucks. Are you pre-gaming? I need to go get another one because honestly, Sharon didn't order these for me for nothing. I'm not going to keep saying my plans for the night. I'm sorry. Tell us more stories about the friend. I'm invested. Hey, she just did a lot of hoe shit, man. Like, it's like, you know, I don't judge people at all. I'm definitely the friend that doesn't judge. But, yeah, the Uber driver one, I was like, why do you think you're spiting him by sleeping with the Uber driver? You're spiting yourself, you know what I mean? Like, what the fuck? Like, and that was always like your plan. You didn't even know what type of Uber driver you were gonna get, like what he was gonna look like. Is that why y'all not friends anymore? No, so the guy that she was dating, that guy that she was busy spiting, I've known since I was like 12. Do you know what I mean? Like, from like him being cool with my mom. And what did I want to say? Oh yeah, so I knew him since before her and I were friends, you know what I mean? Like, and like I said, from a really young age. And then there was a day where I was getting a tattoo, right? The hand tats, the flowers I had before I covered them with this tiger. So I was getting a tattoo done by a friend, you know what I mean? So we were at a house of the, like, basically where the tattoo artist was staying. We were there, you know what I mean? Not me and her, me and another friend were there, right? And then the tattoo artist was like, oh, we're all going to a braai at this guy's house, her ex's house, right? Because by the time we were friends, he was her ex, the same guy that I've known for a really long time, you know what I mean? Like I said, since I was 12. So cool. He's like, yeah, we're all going for a braai there. I'm gonna finish your tattoo off there, you know what I mean? Like, I couldn't leave with first of all, no. Second of all, don't come into my life and say people's names. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Anyway, so, yeah, so he's like, yeah, let's go to this braai and then I'll continue the tattoo there. Cool. I then message her. I call her, you know, she doesn't answer. Then I message her to just say, friend, heads up, we're going to your ex's house because this is where the tattoo artist is going and I'm still getting tattooed. You know what I mean? Just a heads up, you know? And then she got upset about it. And she was just like, I can't believe you would go there. And I'm like, you acting like I went there for vibes or for the braai. I went because I was getting my tattoo done. Do you know what I mean? Like, what did you want me to do? To be like, nope, I can't go there. So I'm going to leave with an incomplete tattoo. You know what I mean? Like, mind you, the tattoo was free. So it's not even like I could say to the tattoo artist, oh, you're being unprofessional. No, we can't go there. Do you know what I mean? That's where everybody wanted to go. And I called you to give you a heads up. And I've been knowing this person for a long time. Do you know what I mean? So then she got upset. And then I was like, what did I want to say? Oh, yeah. So then I was like, what the fuck? So she got really upset and she just got really disrespectful and just, you know, wiling out basically. So I was like, okay, do you know what I mean? One thing about me as my friend, like, I'll never disrespect you back. Like, I've had friends talk to me crazy. I'll never disrespect you back, but I'm like, okay, cool. And then I'm done with you. Do you know what I mean? So then she came to her senses like 2 weeks later and she's like, I really miss you. I'm sorry. You did like give me a heads up and I understand you weren't just there for fun. And also you've known him for a really long time. Nah. And at that point I was just like, I'm over you. I literally said to her, I'm over you. Like, so that's why we stopped being friends. Not because of the Uber driver. Not because of she fucked an Uber driver. I'm not going to stop being friends with someone for what they do with their vag. You know what I mean? Like, but that was the story. Wow. Thanks. Okay. Last strand. I can't believe I actually did all of it. And I thought I was just going to do the front. Please pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. You went to Rome. You made it home. Please pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. I don't know why I love that Jay-Z line so much. Oh, your arms tired? Not really. It's a blessing and a curse. Guys, like I said, I'm never sleeping without the heatless curls thing again. And I tried last night. Like, I asked this one girl, I was like, do you have hair ties? I was there twisting the hair. I plaited it into pigtails. into 2 plats. I still woke up cooked. Have you started dropping hints about wanting to go to the bride? No, because I haven't been called yet. I was told I'll call you back now when I'm in the car. So I'm waiting, and then I'm going to be like, oh, because we have to be there at 8:30, so I say just meet you there. You think to this day about your hiccup with the distance? I don't know. I don't care anymore. I don't know why you guys aren't seeing comments, but at least I read them. Thank you. Okay, not the curls I wanted, but curls nonetheless. Or a what? Or a monthly. Only matters is you. Female shebe allegations is a lie. You're gorgeous. Don't compliment me by telling me some bullshit people are saying. But thanks, I guess. Are you going to the bride? I'm not supposed to be I don't even know if I'm going to the bride, guys. I'm waiting to be able to drop my little hints. My little 1-2. Okay, I'm glad that we stuck to the curls. Love you, legend. You're gonna have a good night. Let me go prep and shower. Coochie fresh. Wow, tight pussy gal. Enjoy your evening, Sandy. I can't wait to hear all about it. Be safe. Like, whether it's via safety or protection. And you know what I mean? Use a condom. Are you going to show us your outfit? I'm going to get dressed now because if I'm going to drop hints, I also need to be ready for potentially getting what I want. Because I want to be able to be like, I'm ready now. But either way, I need to be ready now because I'm supposed to be where I'm supposed to be at 8:30. Oh, let me take this out and put my phone back on charge. What am I doing? I'm going to pretend to each other and boom, come glammed. No, I'm definitely going to say like, yo, I don't want to get to the second place alone. So can I, should I come meet you? I don't know. I just get shy, and usually I'm very forward. I'm usually the type to be like, okay, but I want to come with you, but I don't know. This, I'm shy. Something reminds me of your friends when I just okay, thank you. To block a friend that didn't wish me happy birthday after promising she'd drop off my gift days leading up to heaven block. Oh, what is that? Thank you. I'm thanking God. Felt the pain through it all, but I prayed it all away. I love this song. Thank you. I'm glad we stuck to the curls because also this hair gets tangled easily. So I think when it's curled, it's easier to manage. When it's straight, I'm constantly having to brush it. But when it's curled, you don't see that it gets tangled, Not playing fair. I said I want to be hot, guys. There's even a day where I just had a realization and I called and I was like, hello. I decided I just want to be your hot ass honeys. What? So yeah, I just want to be your fly ass honey. He said, you really are? What do you mean? I said, yeah, but I'm stating the intentions. I just want to be hot. You understand? Like, truly. But like I said, niggas don't deserve me, really. Living life in the hills, life in the mountains. Ain't no problem, you made it here. All it was counting, touchdown in your city. Ew. I'm thanking God. Felt the pain through it all, but I prayed it all away. I love that line. I felt the pain through it all, but I prayed it all away. Amen. Thank you, guys. To keep the tattoo showing even after... okay. sound like you saying the wrong. Paris Fashion Week, I'm watching Louis Vuitton. Yeah. And everything she do is for the media. I might duck you for your bridge and I don't need ya. Your ex is always trying to follow, I'ma lead ya. Remember the song, guys? I love it. Okay, now it's time to find that goddamn dress. You see, this is the part I hate the most, especially when I'm live, because I'm like, this is the time I should just be charging my phone and looking for the outfit. Actually, you know what? I'm going to look for the outfit. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to charge my phone while I'm doing it. And then I will be back to discuss whether or not my attempt is successful. But if it's not, I'm going to be really embarrassed. I'm going to be really embarrassed if it's not. But let me find the dress, because like, let my phone charge a bit off the live. I'll get dressed. I'll show you guys the final look. We'll see what handbag I take based on my heatless curlers. And then I will be back. But I'm really nervous. You know, I don't like to like initiate things, because I'm like, I'm gonna sulk. I promise. I'm gonna sulk if shit doesn't go my way. So I tend to like not like to ask for things. They must just happen, because it's like, if shit doesn't go my way, I'm a brat. Like, I'm going to sulk. I'm going to be annoyed. And then it's like, oh, I would have never been annoyed if I didn't ask. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah. Cannot be seeing that shit from the other day. Virgil just sent me a whole different colorway. Niggas fell off and never recover. I'm still young and I'm trying to cut the cayenne. I'm fuck with y'all type of kind. I see now y'all dick right. Bread winning like I'm Kevin Gates, and I swear to God I don't get tired. I'm gonna trip like a leaf gun. Anyway, treat every girl like a magic on Monday. There's my toiletry bag. I need to quickly pack that. Money ain't even came in from the other one. Double up. Ugh. Let them get by, let them true size. We get using by the shoe size. I'm fuck with y'all type of kind. I don't see all y'all dead right. Bread winning like I'm Kevin Gates, and I swear to God I don't get tired. Do you guys want the news or not? Huh? Do you want the news or not? Or monthly? My body spray is called Being Kind. This is what I spray before I put on perfume. Like, do you want the news or what? I said I'd come back with news. Not only am I going to the braai, but I was also told to pack a bag. So, here we are. That's what I'm gonna do. Like, I hate my hair, but as long as it's big. Yeah, you guys have seen this outfit before, obviously. Yeah, like I said, going to the braai and I'm packing a bag. So I get to pack my rollers. Should have been me. You doing what? Period, queen. Period. Okay, pajamas, bonnet. What else? What am I gonna wear tomorrow? It's already 8:30. Guys, let's not get into that bit. But what am I gonna wear tomorrow? I want to wear my new Nike sneakers. So yeah, guys, I was nervous, but I just, you know what I mean? I just said it. I just outright said it. And that's why you need to go for what you want, guys. Sometimes you actually get it. I miss him so much. Where is he? Why do you miss him? Is he far away? Are you on punishment? Like, what's happening? What am I going to wear tomorrow? Fuck, man. Okay, I'll wear this, actually. Where's that fuck-ass jacket? Oh, here you are. Sorry for calling you fuck-ass. But now I'm rushing, and I don't want to rush, but I just get so excited when I look hot, because it's like I'm so excited to drop your jaw. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Pajamas packed. Tomorrow outfit packed. You ain't sour, you ain't sweet. I beat down blocks and beat up freaks. Sheets, laminating your sheets. Wrestling it straight to sleep. Oh, I can't wear those shoes with tomorrow's outfit. I'll just have to. Shawty, I'm the best dressed. Got the type of 6. Turn your man to your best friend. I love that line because I'm like, you know what? There was a girl that wanted to leave her man for me, but I told her, don't do it. I'm not gonna do anything to hold your heart the way you're gonna need me to. Do you know what I mean? Because if you leave your man for me, then you become my thing. Broke up with him today. Now I'm suffering so much. Why did you break up with him? I'm sure he deserved it, so don't suffer. You know what I mean? Oh, the ghost. Okay. Shout out to Nike for also sending me a bunch of socks. Needed that. So when I'm babysitting, but I'm saying fuck them kids. Honestly, fuck them kids. I'm kidding. Shame. How many times do you say the F word in a day? I think 7, but here's the 8th. Fuck off. Ugh. Okay. I need to get away ASAP. I need to be in the bush like yesterday, guys. Like, the fact that I'm still in Johannesburg is really not ideal. Like, at all. I might like him, but could never be his lady. Okay. I don't know why I said that line so passionately. I don't mean it. Okay, I don't need my razor. I'm good. Which perfume does I take? Okay, I'll take this one. You see what happens when you ask. I was really nervous because just as I suspected, it was a thing of, but you don't even like this person. I'm like, they don't know that though. I said, okay, cool. Come. I'm coming, my baby. No, not my love. Jeez. There's a time I wore this dress and my hips didn't look the way they do now. I really have gained. I've maintained the BBLE. You know what I mean? Shout out to me. Okay, let me just pack my makeup stuff. I don't need this. Okay, I need that shit. Lip stuff. Where's the brown lip liner? Okay, for tomorrow, eyebrow pencil. just took one sip, all the cars moving slow-mo. New supermodel babe, trying to keep it on the low-low. Broke up with me one day, girl, your heart's just so cold. Said that I'll give you the world, that you turned it to a snow globe. Honestly. Me and my red cup in the cut, girl, I'm solo, dolo. I got niggas looking for me, coming for my whole soul. Yo, the fact that I stay with my mom now means I always have to leave things tidy. And, like, I just want to get going. You know what I mean? Guys, I'll show you the outfit if you want to see again. It's just this goddamn fuck-ass dress with these fuck-ass boots. She said, I want to go to Paris and I want a real kimono. And she's so obsessed with this song, The Memories. I love it. Good thing packing your bag, no bonnets and pockets. Yo! The most humiliating thing ever. But I was also like, eh. At least it was friends, you know what I mean? And they kind of knew what was up. But, like, what was up was not supposed to be up. Let me just say that. I won't elaborate. Your words are borderline torturous. The way your heart comes through your lips. Thank you, guys. Oh, fuck. Pressed powder. How could I forget? As an oily girl, I would have been fucking cooked. That nigga's cooked. Okay, makeup wipes I've packed. I just took one. All the cars moving slow-mo. I really do hate my hair. But like I said, I think it's better than it being straight. Adds a bit of drama. But I hate that curling iron. But like, what the fuck? Big bubble head. Okay. Lucky I already know I have a big head, so I won't take offense. My one aunt, Butsulo's mom, never lets me forget it. She's always told me since I was a kid, you have a big head. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my lotion. Do I need a hairbrush in my handbag? Yeah, I can fit it. Where'd you buy the boots? They're from Fashion Nova. Are those eye contacts, please? To make you happy. Maybe I don't say I love you like I used to. Please never doubt that I love you and I mean what I say. Why am I taking this out? Just come around. Just how much you mean. Girl, if you wanna leave, just be sure. 'Cause all your wants and needs be ignored. I don't care what your friends have to say. I really... Ooh. Okay. Trying to make ends meet. You guys asked me to come back, and you see now the chaos that's happening because I'm using one hand and I'm trying to tidy up. I've picked my bag. So I just need to do one more thing, which is take milk thistle, take liver essential, Me, I don't play. A hangover must be scared of me. I'm kidding. I'm scared of a hangover. Please don't come for me. Tunes, do I sound too bad now? Huh? Gajo, what are you saying? Sometimes you just be saying random shit and I really wonder about you. Because Gajo is my younger cousin, right? So he's, if you know my cousin Gafi, the one that got married in December, or if you know Gamo, obviously you know Gamo. He's Gamo's younger brother. He's the youngest of his siblings. And he was a very sensitive child. He's still quite sensitive. And I played a little prank on him. I told him that, listen, because when he was younger, he really looked a lot like me. I mean, we all look alike in my family, to be fair, but you know what I mean? So I played a little prank on him, and I told him that he is my child. I just had him really young. Yo, he cried, guys. He cried for hours, like to the point where the adults, they were laughing, but they told me, aye, stop now. Stop pulling his leg, because I was like, oh, I'm serious. I'm your mom. Yo, he was miserable. Like, I found it so funny. I used to terrorize his ass. Like, it was hilarious. It was hilarious. Sorry about that, Gajo, but honestly, I had to do it for the plot. You know what I mean? Having me as an older cousin, I mean, I'm very nurturing. I'm a great big sister, but having me as an older cousin is like having an older boy cousin. Because I'm definitely going to terrorize you, you know? No, I wasn't. Yes, you were, dude. You cried a lot. And you kept saying, Shami, stop saying that. I'm your mom, dude. I just had you really young. Like, then your mom, who you know as your mom, decided to adopt your punk ass. But I'm actually your mom. You know? Like, you're my son. And I love you. And I'm sorry that I couldn't be there the way I was supposed to. But I just wasn't in a position to take care of a child. You know? You starting. I'm telling you, you cried, dog. My mom was laughing so hard, but she's like, stop. Like, what do you mean? You definitely cried about it. Like, honestly, me, that's what I'm saying. My younger cousins know. I'm like their big brother. Like, not big sis. I will be terrorizing you. I will be wrestling with you. You know what I mean? Like, my mom always says, I feel like I have a son in a girl's body. Like, honestly, I'm a menace. Where's my fucking tension band? That's what I forgot. I mean, like a pro, make it overflow. It's a safe space here, Gajo. Don't worry. Honestly, Gajo, you're my son. You're my son. You should have seen him, guys. And like I said, everyone in my family looks alike, and he does look like everybody else, like how I look like everybody else. We're just different, one person in different versions and fonts. But Gajo, when he was younger, looked like how I looked when I was younger. So I said, you're my child. And he cried. Shami, don't say that. Stop saying that. And he loves his mom, so I'm sure he was disappointed, like, you. Why you? You know? But, you know, that's my son. Now you guys know my secret. The cat's out the bag. I have how old are you, Gajo? 16? I have a 16-year-old son. I literally had him at the tender age of 9 with another 9-year-old. I wasn't, you know, I don't want to make the story dark. So, yeah. Okay. Anyway, guys, I need to request because I am officially ready. Okay, wait. I need to take the liver essential. And I'm going to take a cider, man. I hate when Uber drivers are like, is that alcohol? Like, yes, the whole reason I took an Uber, not that I drive, but I'm just saying, imagine if I did. The whole reason I took an Uber is because I'm probably going to, maybe I'm drinking. So what's the problem? It would have been fine if it was sparkling water, but now my little cider can't come. I can't have a kid feeling like, did you take the heatless curler, girl? It's the first thing I packed. But anyway, love you guys. I gotta go have a good time. I'm feeling alive. Hate my hair. Love my outfit. And most importantly, I love you. Okay? So, yeah. Love you, guys.